In less than 2 minutes, we're going to teach you about the racist history of so-called right to work, what it is, where it exists, and how we can defeat it. Let's get started. Right to work originated in the 1940s as a way to maintain Jim Crow in the South. Its primary purpose is to destroy labor unions and the freedom of collective bargaining. Dividing workers by race has been essential to thwarting labor organizing efforts since the days of slavery. The biggest proponent of right to work was an anti-semitic, white supremacist, corporate lobbyist named Vance Muse. Mr. Muse was terrified labor organizers in the South might get black and white workers to join the same unions. Right to work was passed in Florida in 1944 and is still law today in 27 states. A number of states have gone so far as to even make right to work a part of their state constitution. Wherever these laws exist, wages are lower, benefit for workers are worse, job site safety and worker protections are poor, and workers' freedom is nearly non-existent. Remarking on right to work in 1964, Martin Luther King Jr. said, "In our glorious fight for civil rights, we must guard against being fooled by false slogans such as right to work. It is a law to rob us of our civil rights and job rights. Yet, corporate interests who want to keep workers divided and weak keep pushing forward with right to work legislation. Right now, anti-worker politicians are pushing forward with right to work in New Hampshire, Montana, and even attempting to add it to the state constitution of Tennessee. These efforts must be defeated, just as they were in Missouri in 2018. But we can do more than just play defense. We can and must go on the offensive. By passing the PRO Act, for example, we could override right-to-work laws all across the country, all at once. Right to work was racist in its origins, and attacks on public sector unions, which are strongly represented by workers of color, remain fundamentally racist. Let's put right to work into the dustbin of history, where it belongs once and for all."